Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Nur Fathiah with NPM 233150001 PM. In this video, I am going to talk about system life cycle, or it can be shortened to SLC. System life cycle, or SLC. So, what is the system life cycle? The system life cycle is the evolutionary process during the implementation of a computer-based information system or subsystem. Meanwhile, the software development life cycle, or SDLC, is a cost-efficient, time-saving process that development teams use to create high-quality software. The goal of the SDLC is to ensure that the software meets customer expectations during and after production, and to reduce project risks through proactive planning. The method defines a sequence of steps which breaks down the software development process into assignable, achievable, and measurable tasks. So the process of SDLC can be as in picture. So it's from requirement analysis, design, implementation, testing, evaluation, and back to requirement analysis. So it's from to end, is from end to end. And then, why is SDLC important? At least there are four reasons why is SDLC important. First, SDLC increases visibility of the development process for all stakeholders involved. Second, SDLC is efficient estimation, planning, and scheduling. Third, SDLC improves risk management and cost estimation. Fourth, systematic software delivery and better customer satisfaction. So there is four reasons why is SDLC important. Next, so how does SDLC works? First of all is plan. During the planning phase, essential tasks encompass cost or benefit analysis, scheduling, resource estimation, and allocation. While creating a software requirement specification, documents involve gathering inputs from stakeholders to establish expectation and objective, aiding in comprehensive project planning, including cost estimates and timelines. Next is design. During the software design phase, engineers analyze requirements, select technologies, and integrate modules while ensuring seamless incorporation into the organization IT infrastructure. Third is implement. During implementation, the development team writes codes, breaking down tasks from requirements into smaller daily coding objectives toward the final product. And then there is test. In test phase, the development team employs both automated and manual testing to identify software bugs and ensure alignment with customer requirements. After running testing and development simultaneously, as some teams test their code promptly. Next step is deploy. During the deployment process, the software is packaged, configured, and the latest builds are installed into the production system. And the last is maintain. Maintenance teams closely monitor system performance, security, and user experience to determine where software improvement can be made. So, what are SDLC models? There are 5 SDLC models. In this video, I am going to explain about waterfall model, iterative model, spiral model, agile model, and theme model. First is waterfall model. The first approach to the SDLC is the waterfall method, which prioritizes sequential and methodical stage. Its name derives from the fact that the process flows unidirectionally, similar to a waterfall. The waterfall approach must be executed consecutively in accordance with the established stage. There is few steps in waterfall model. First of all is requirements and content by design, development, testing, deployment, and the last is maintenance. The second model is iterative. So, the iterative model entails generating software specification and developing preliminary version grounded on such specification, carrying out iterative modification within predefined time frames, granting the possibility to revisit initial stage for the analysis of the change and culminating in the updated ultimate project outcome at the conclusion of the software development lifecycle process. There are 7 phases of the iterative development life cycle. There are first, requirement collection and analysis. Second is design, and then implementation, then testing. Fifth is deployment. Six, review. And the last but not least, same as waterfall model, that is maintenance. So next, there is spiral model. The spiral model combines the linear progression of the waterfall model with the iterative approach of the iterative model, providing the ability to adapt the project with strict initial parameters, as well as allowing for early identification of risks at any point in progress. In spiral model, there are only 4 facets, unlike in the waterfall model and iterative model. So, in spiral model, there are 4 phases that are planning, risk analysis, development, and evaluation. You can see spiral model as in as the picture. So first is determine objective, and then identify and resolve risks, and then development and test, and the last is plan the next iterations. The next model is Agile. The Agile development model is a type of incremental model. The software is developed in rapid and incremental cycles, resulting in small releases, each one building on the previous functionally. Every release is thoroughly tested to maintain software quality, and this approach is best suited for time-critical application. Extreme programming, or XP, is one of the most well-known Agile development lifecycle models. So, the Agile model begins from requirements, and then design, and then development, and then testing, and then deployment, and the last is review. The last model in this video is V model. So the V model is methodology utilized in the software development lifecycle, or SLC. It employs a waterfall-like approach with sequential phases. The first stage is a broad design phase, followed by increasingly detailed stage leading to coding and implementation. And finally, looping back through all testing stage to complete the project. And in this V model, there are 9 stages. First of all is requirements, and then system design, and then architecture design, and then model design, and then implementation or coding. And next is unit testing. 7 is integration test. 8 is system testing, and 9 is acceptance test. So that is all for me. I hope what I have shared today will be beneficial for all of us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.